This TikTok page is literally touching up to the sky and making at least $7,000 per month through the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. For those of you who do not know, TikTok has launched its Creativity Program Beta through which anyone can earn money easily these days. The good part is that this program pays almost $1 for every 1,000 qualified views. That's pretty awesome! In this video, I will teach you how to create AI videos in a new trending niche that's gaining a lot of popularity these days. But before we proceed forward, I must inform you that the TikTok Creativity Program Beta is only available to certain countries. So in order to get a US TikTok account from any part of the world, visit the website linked in the description. There, you can buy as many accounts as you want. To get a straight 20% discount, simply use the code INC20 and you are good to go. Now, let's take a look at an example video so that you can get to know what it's all about.
Always remember, the adventure of life is to learn.
The purpose of life is to grow.
As you can see, this niche is related to anime motivational shorts, and to be honest, it's the most popular and trending niche for TikTok Creativity Program in 2024. I have also brought in my friend Danny. He has been studying this niche for quite some time.
Hey Matt, thanks for bringing me to your amazing show. I am so excited to share the information with your audience about the whole procedure to earn a ton of money from this niche. So this is the page that was being discussed earlier in the video. As you can see, most of their videos are getting thousands and millions of views. So in order to get started, first we need a script for our video.
Right, for generating scripts, I would be using my good friend ChatGPT as always. When you are in, simply tell the chatbot that you would be creating a 15 to 20 seconds animation video focused on self-improvement. The chatbot needs to come with a motivational quote, and to be more specific, you need to tell the chatbot that the quote should be easy to understand and it should also contain an analogy in it. And remember, this is very important. Below the main prompt, you have to give a sample motivational quote for the chatbot to understand the writing style. Upon hitting enter, you will see the different outcomes from ChatGPT. You can choose whichever you find interesting. I would like to go for the second script, so I'm going to use this script for my short animation video.
Nice work, Matt. As we have our written script, it's time to convert our script into a realistic voiceover. To do that, simply go to the website named by 11 Labs. This is by far the most realistic voiceover software till now. If you go to the voices on the left side of your screen, you can scroll through hundreds of unique and original voices.
Right. Once you are in, paste the script from ChatGPT into the software, and below that script box, there is a drop-down given of different professional voices to choose from. I would be choosing the Arian's voice model for my short animation video because it's deep and calm. Once your voice is selected, simply hit generate, and in a few seconds your voice over would be ready. Now it's time for the anime clips that we're going to use for our short video.
But Matt, don't you think that if we upload the anime clips from the popular series, then we won't be eligible in TikTok Creativity Program Beta because of copyright issues?
Don't worry, we won't be copying any clips. Instead, we will create our own anime clips. And for that, we will be using a website called Pika Labs. You can use it for free because in the free plan, they give you 250 credits daily. Once you are in, simply explain your motivational quote properly in the prompt. And as we are making anime shorts, don't forget to type in anime style and hand-drawn into the prompt. To be more specific, below there are advanced options provided. Click on that and make sure you select the 16:9 aspect ratio. After that, I would recommend you to add the negative prompt for your video. Basically, these are the things that you do not want to add in your video. For example, in our case, I don't want to add any kind of blurry faces, distortion, or ugly faces in my video. Next, you need to adjust the frames per second for your video. Once that is done, the next step is to adjust the strength of motion for your video. Basically, this bar tells us how much motion we want in our video. Now, this is a very crucial part. Camera movements are very important. Once the camera movement for that particular clip is finalized, simply hit generate. As you can see, we already have many outstanding results coming in. Once all the clips are downloaded, let's move on towards our last step. We're going to combine everything we've done to create the final video. we'll use CapCut, a free editing software. Just sign up for a free account and you are good to go. To start, simply import all your assets into CapCut. As you can see, I have already imported all the assets into the software. To start, drag your voiceover into the timeline. After that, start adjusting your anime clips one by one according to your voiceover. And while adjusting, make sure to zoom in every clip so that it fits perfectly according to your selected screen ratio. I would simply fast forward the clip because it's repetitive and boring. As you can see, I have adjusted all the anime clips according to my voiceover. Once adjusted, it's time to add motion to our anime clips where required. For that, begin by selecting the required image. Then move the playhead to the start of the clip and click on Add Time Frame in the Position and Size area. Now, advance the playhead to the end of the clip and again add a keyframe in the Position and Size area. After that, you can set the movement of your anime clip according to your need. This will generate a gradual motion effect throughout the duration of the clip. Once the motions are added in the required anime clips, add the background music in the last layer. Make sure to trim that music layer according to your video. Apply fade in and fade out effects for a smooth transition, and also adjust the volume of the music so that it does not annoy the viewer. The next step is adding captions to our video. For that, click on Text and then choose Auto Captions. Select English and click on Create to generate the captions. To make the captions visually appealing, select the captions and adjust the font name, font style, font size, or font case according to your liking. To increase the readability of captions, you can break the captions into different lines. To do that, simply go to Captions and click from where you want to break the caption into different lines and hit Enter. Repeat this process until all captions are done. The last step is to add animations to our caption. For that, simply go to Animation tabs and select any of the animation you like for your captions and simply apply it. As you can see, our video is completed. Now let's take a look at the final result.
An old man once told me, life is like a river flowing steadily. Its currents may be calm or turbulent, yet it always moves forward. Like the river, our journey is about adaptability and perseverance. Even when obstacles block our path, we carve our way through, shaping our destiny with each bend.
Here is the other color-graded version of our anime short.
An old man once told me, life is like a river flowing steadily. Its currents may be calm or turbulent, yet it always moves forward. Like the river, our journey is about adaptability and perseverance. Even when obstacles block our path, we carve our way through, shaping our destiny with each bend.
Whoa, this is honestly greater than I thought. I would really say the way you explain the process to your audience is amazing. I do really hope you hit 1 million subscribers as soon as possible because you really deserve it.
Thanks, Danny. Your words means a lot. If you liked the video, a like and comment to the video would be great. Let me know in what niche you want a tutorial in the next video, and I will check it out.